Hello my friends, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. Today we're gonna create the awesome Paracord bracelet called the Ranger Regiment, designed by my Paracord designer, so go ahead and check him on the Instagram. Today we're gonna use the 4-strand bracelet base or bracelet core. The full tutorial how to create this 4-strand with 2 working ends you have in the top right corner in the cards of this video. Just click on the information or I button and the tutorial will be there. Also, if you want to make this awesome Paracord bracelet, you can do it following the tutorial also in the cards, and you have there many other tutorials, so go ahead and check the cards. That being said, I want to greet the newcomers to this channel, so if you're a new one and you like this video, give a thumbs up, consider subscribing, share this video with your friends and family, and of course don't forget to enjoy. Now that being said, we're gonna start today's project. We're gonna take the left cord and we're gonna make it on top of the bracelet base or bracelet core and on top of the right strand working end, so like this, and then we're gonna make it around through the back and on the left side through the loop here. So from the back side through the loop on the left, like so, and then with the right strand cord we're gonna make it around and through. Now with the right strand cord on top of the bracelet base, around, and from the back side through the loop on the right. As you can see, this is very simple but unique and very nice Paracord bracelet. So with the left strand cord we're gonna make it from the top into the loop on the left side, and the important thing here is that your bracelet core is a bit loosened, so when you cinch your knots or tighten them up, the strand that will create this loop here can move to the almost center of the bracelet and create the awesome structure that this bracelet has. Now with the left one on top, around, from the back to the loop, and then with the right strand to the loop on the right side. So here we are. We reached the end of today's project. We only left to do one more knot or a weave and cut off the excess of a cord, melt it down and finish the bracelet. So I've done the final weave, and now from here we're gonna cut off the excess of a cord, melt it down, This is, as you can see, a very neat and very nice paracord bracelet. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to leave a like and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post the new content. Until the next time, I wish you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you. Bye!